ECOCOMFORT PLUS is the single-room heat recovery unit designed by Fantini Cosmi to manage the indoor air exchange and improve the home comfort. This video tutorial contains all the necessary information for a correct installation. First, let us look at the contents of the package. The ventilation unit equipped with dust filter. The flow straightener already included in the units with 160 mm. The ceramic heat exchanger. The telescopic tube. The folding grill for the installation from inside the room. An infrared remote control that will work with two AAA alkaline batteries. The instruction manual. To reduce noise from the outside, the sound-absorbing silencer in the rainproof and windproof grill can be added. Please note that the installation and electrical connection must be carried out by qualified persons and when the system is shut down, in accordance with the regulations in force. Installation takes just a few steps. First, prepare the device location. Ensure that the hole in the wall is correctly tilted outwards to prevent condensation backflow. Check that an electrical connection is previously provided. Then proceed with fixing the telescopic tube. Position the larger diameter part flush with the outer wall. Slide the inner tube to bring it flush with the inner wall of the room. For wall thicknesses between 240 and 280 mm, use only the inner tube, cutting it to the required size. Ensure that the tube is properly secured. Insert the grill into the telescopic tube, bringing it to the outside. Then pull inwards to open it. Remember, the flaps must be oriented downwards to prevent rain from entering. Fasten the bracket to the tube and secure the lanyard in the side slots. Insert the heat exchanger all the way to the end of the inner tube. To proceed with fixing the fan unit, release the cover from the motor holder by pressing on the two side holes. Open the hole prepared for the cable passage. In the case of external non-tracked connections, open the side passage on both the motor holder and the cover. Then proceed to fix the unit to the wall. Place L and N in the Quick Connect terminal block. The device complies with the double insulation standards, Class 2, and therefore does not require an earth cable. Fasten the cover on the motor holder by pressing lightly. The unit can now be switched on and checked for the correct operation. If you would like more details on how to use the ECOCOMFORT PLUS ventilation unit, see the next tutorial or consult the instruction manual also available online.